Hi everyone, welcome to my simple kitchen where I share my favorite recipes. Today we're making what I would consider an Italian classic, Baked Ziti. This cheesy baked pasta dish is full of flavor, easy to make, and is just as good, if not better, warmed up as leftovers. You'll start by getting a large stock pot of water boiling over high heat. While the water's heating up, you'll make your meat sauce. Add a pound of ground beef or Italian sausage into a skillet over medium heat and cook until brown. You could also add in some onions here for some extra flavor. Once that's cooked, you'll drain the grease and add in your pasta sauce. Some salt, and seasonings. I used garlic powder and Italian seasoning. Let that simmer on low for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now your water should be boiling. Cook the noodles according to the package instructions to al dente. You can use any tube-shaped pasta you'd like. I used rigatoni for this recipe. Once the noodles are cooked, strain them and set them aside for later. This meal is actually very similar to a meat lasagna, has all of the same ingredients, just assembled a bit differently. In a mixing bowl, you'll mix together 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, 1 large egg, ½ cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and a cup of shredded mozzarella. Once that's nice and combined, you'll mix everything together. Return the strained noodles to the pot you used to cook them. Add in the cheese mixture. Stir that up. Pour in the meat sauce and stir until well combined. Once it looks like this, you'll pour it into a 9x13 baking dish. Level it out and top with any cheese you'd like. I typically use ricotta and some shredded mozzarella. If you're enjoying these recipes, don't forget to click that like button and follow or subscribe to see more. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. I always switch it to broil for the last couple of minutes to get the cheese nice and crispy. Once it's done cooking, pull it out and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to cool. I typically serve this dish with garlic bread or a side salad. Let me know in the comments if you give it a try. Enjoy!